The most important role of a federal government is to protect the citizens of the nation from national security threats. Today, national security includes not only military dimensions, but it also includes the security from terrorism, minimization of crime, economic security, cyber security, among others. Working towards empowering these imperative notions of our society, Bureau of Police Research and Development and All India Council for Technical Education have launched Manthan 2021. It is a unique national hackathon to identify innovative concepts and technology for addressing the security challenges of the 21st century faced by our intelligence agencies. Addressing the launch event, Chairman of AICTC, Professor Anil Sahasrabuddhe said, "In the last 4 years, we have found that the talent of students can be tapped and used efficiently. Why not use it for national security?" From that perspective, a special hackathon is being held for these areas.
Today, the crime is not merely physical crime, but there is a cyber crime. And this is where technology can come in handy to detect various types of likely crimes which are going to be happening much in advance, and then you check them. There is no point in trying to investigate it later, but how do we do that? That is where several techniques which are available today, modern education has provided in terms of artificial intelligence, machine learning, and along with that, in some places, to detect and dispose of, for example, bomb detection. You require some kind of a system where you have a robot which will go, identify, pick it up, and then destroy it. I think a variety of possibilities exist both in terms of software and hardware. And our students from even second year, third year of engineering, because a lot of knowledge today is available on the internet, they study on their own. There are their friends from their own college who are alumni. They come in contact with them, because I have an example of some of college students developing a satellite which was launched by ISRO. So there is a lot of power in our institutional mechanisms.
The virtual hackathon basically refers to conducting an entire event online on a cloud-based tool for non-stop 36 hours coding concept, Diverse for Smart India. Scheduled from 28th November to 1st December 2021, selected students from educational institutes across India and registered startups will participate to offer strong, safe and effective technology solutions using their technical expertise and innovative skills. Further, to encourage them, an amount of worth ₹40 lakh will be given to the winning teams. The hackathon will work towards developing digital solutions under 6 themes for 20 different challenges statements using new technologies like artificial intelligence, deep learning, augmented reality, machine learning and more.
The primary objective is to pose 20 interesting questions for our prospective participants, each of which reflects our professional policing and security concerns. From number plate recognition for vehicles traveling at high speed, predictive policing, and fake news identification, to national security concerns such as face detection of terror suspects, identifying people at risk of de-radicalization, of radicalization, and tracing real IP addresses behind proxy servers.
The event will be held in 2 phases. In the first phase, participants are expected to submit their concepts against the problem statements which they wish to solve on the portal. The submitted idea will be then evaluated by a group of experts in the field, which will be then selected for the grand finale or second scheduled round from 28th November. During the grand finale, selected participants are expected to build the solution to demonstrate their concepts and prove that their idea is technically feasible and, more importantly, implementable. Thank you.